Okay, so we're going to start this new section called logs, okay? And logs is probably going to be one of the maybe even the most challenging topic this semester. And it's going to be the most challenging, not even because it's hard, it's because it's new, okay? But once you get the hang of it, this is actually not a hard topic. It's just the fact that it's new that makes it hard for some people, okay? So the way I want you to think about logs is that it's related to exponents, okay? It's just exponents backwards, okay? So this is the analogy I like to use, okay? If we take multiplication, okay, 2 times 3 equals to 6, okay? Let me make that in white right here. You can go backwards and go 6, whoops, I meant to make that white. You can go backwards and go 6 divided by 3 gives you 2, okay? And so you go 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. So you can go backwards, okay? All right. So you'll go 2 times 3 is 6. You can go backwards. 6 divided by 3 equals to 2, okay? So again, in this case, division, you can go backwards and arrive back at multiplication. They're related because they are kind of reverse of each other. Okay, multiplication, division. That is the same relationship with exponents and logs. Okay, logs is basically exponents written backwards. Okay, so to speak. Okay. Or here's a better way of saying it. You can rearrange multiplication to get to division, okay? And you can rearrange division to get back to multiplication, okay? So yeah, that's a better way of saying it. So you can rearrange multiplication to get to division, and you can rearrange division to get back to multiplication. Okay, if you want to rearrange this division to get back to multiplication, you would just do 2 times 3 equals to 6. Okay, and then you get back to your original multiplication. Okay, I should use a dot here. All right, and so that's the same relationship with exponents and logs. You can rearrange exponents to get to logs, and vice versa. Okay, so exponents and logs are very related. Okay, now I want to pay attention to the top screen here. Okay, the top of the screen, I should say. All right, now if we have this exponent form right here, 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. Okay, that's 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, which is 1,000. You can rewrite that into log form. Okay, the red 10 goes here, the blue 3 goes there, and the green 1,000 goes there. Okay, that's why these are color coded, so you can see where they go. So if you're ever confused, okay, use the circle of logs. Okay, this guy. It says start with the visually small number, circle out then back. Okay, so the visually small number here is 10. Okay, and then you circle outside the log. Okay, I'm going to circle outside the log, and you circle back. Okay, circle outside the log and circle back. Okay, and then this becomes, if you follow the arrow, 10 to the power of 3 gives you 1,000. Okay, and then this matches this, so you know you rearranged this correctly. Okay, So I should have said that this is a way of, so this circle of log is a way to check whether or not you arrange this correctly, okay? So use the circle of log as a check, okay? So if you end up getting the same exponent form as this, then you know you did it right, okay? Then you know that you did it right. All right, so let's say this was 3. Let's say this was 10, sorry, you put the 10 here, and let's say you put the 3 there, okay? All right, now let's do a check. Start with a visually small number, which is 3, circle out to the 10 and back, okay? Then you get 3 to the power of 10 equals to 1,000. That does not match with the original exponent form, okay? That does not match, okay? So you know that you arranged this wrong, okay? Because it does not match. All right. So and that's why you need to arrange it as this way that I showed you at first. Okay, that I showed you at first, because that's the only arrangement that matches the original problem. This matches the original problem. Okay. Now, it's also important to note they could have put the 3. They could have put the 3 instead of on the left side. They could have put it on the right side. Okay. Well, it's the same thing. Okay, it's totally the same thing. Then you start with the visually small number, okay, the 10, the little 10, circle out, and then back. And you get 10 to the power 3 is 1,000. It still matches up. Okay, so wherever they put the 3, it doesn't matter. The circle of logs as a check your answer, as a way to check your answer, still works the same way. Start with a visually small number, circle out, then back. All right, whether the 3 is written on the left or the right side. Okay, I want you guys to go ahead and do these numbers right over here. Whoops. Not those. Actually, yeah, these, but not all of them, is what I meant to say. I want you guys to do these numbers, these green highlights. Boom.